Welcome to learn about the 3-axis welding positioner produced by SENLISWELD. The 3-axis welding positioner has the following core functions: manual mode lifting and lowering adjustment, precise control of workpiece height to meet different welding needs. The table rotates freely, supports clockwise and counterclockwise rotation, ensures the best welding angle, and improves welding quality. 3-axis linkage easily cope with various welding scenarios. It has 3 intelligent control methods for free control: wireless remote control to improve operational flexibility. Hand remote control is convenient and intuitive, and parameters can be easily adjusted. Foot panel control frees your hands and improves work efficiency. SENLISWELD provides customized services for 3-axis welding positioners of different tonnages, with a maximum tonnage of 100 tons. Want to know more about the 3-axis welding positioner? Subscribe to the SENLISWELD channel and contact us at any time. We will provide you with professional solutions.